Hey guys, it's Thespa. Welcome back to Vintiquities. Today I have a little project I'm going to share. I joined the pocket letter swap over on Scrapdaworld, and I'm just working on my swaps. And these are some of the ones that I have completed. Just think they're so cute and they turned out so good, and I want to share with you this little idea here. So it's basically just a tag, a simple tag shape that I have created a pocket, a reusable pocket that you can then put, gifts or gift cards, or, I put my swap. This is my little card for my swap, and then a little couple of goodies, and I have a couple more things I'm going to add into these little packages. But these are just so simple, and you can use them for so many different uses. You can make them in all different kinds of sizes, and they're really great for including a, something thin that you're giving away, a gift card, something like that. And then I found these cute little ornament clips. They're called Sure Grip clips. I think I got these last year at Hobby Lobby, but I think you can get them different places. I think they have them in gold and silver. But yeah, these are just kind of fun. You're just going to clip them on, and then I plan to put some little bead dangles on there. I haven't finished that part yet, but very cute, very simple, reusable packaging with the Velcro. So I'll show you what I've done. So I just took, I made a tag shape the size that I needed for the items that I was giving away. So like if I had a package that was this wide, I needed a little bit wider because we need a space to sew. But I just made that to that size. And then I made another tag for the back, but I left about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch overlapping. And then I used a little corner rounder punch for the corners. And then this will create our little flap at the bottom. So I chose different paper, corresponding paper, but a different pattern, just to have that little bit of different pattern sticking up from the bottom. I thought that was kind of cute, but you can definitely do it in the same colors. So we're just going to line those up, wrong sides facing. And if you want to add some embellishments to the front, you can do that before you sew your pocket together. These are just some that I came up with, and I stitched them down just for a little bit more magic on there. So we just do that, and then we sew around the edge. If you want a piece of ribbon at the top, you can place that on before you sew it, and just sew over the ribbon, and then sew all the way around. And then I actually started in the middle of the ribbon, or at the edge of the ribbon, sewed across that just to hold it in place, sewed down, and then straight down all the way onto the little pocket, the little flip here, and then sewed up the edge so you can see how it kind of looks, and it gives it that nice finished look. But then you can see in here how it was just sewn around the edge there. And so then you get up to there and you're done sewing that. Then you can take some little double stick Velcro tabs. You can get some at Dollar Tree for $1. Some little round ones, you could use those. These were some square ones, some Velcro square ones that I had. And then I just cut them in half, and they made a perfect little spot there for my little pocket. So very simple, easy way to give a gift card, but to kind of, deck it up, embellish it up. And, if you add the little tree clip, you could hang that on your tree. So it would be a good way to, have your little gift cards on your tree, and it still be really pretty and way to give your cards. So thank you guys so much for watching, and these swaps will be sent off to Swap the World, and we're going to have that. I think these are going to be arriving like after Christmas, which is totally fine with me, but it was fun swap, and I'm excited to join a pocket letter swap because I've never actually done a pocket letter before, and so this was kind of a fun little project to make up a bunch of little cards and stuff. I had the letter A, so that's what mine looks like. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having happy holidays and getting ready for your holidays. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.